these are the 5 amazing apps we Nigerians can use to save in dollars. Because if you're with me in this country, let's face it, keeping your money in Naira is like pouring water into a basket. You've been saving up all your money in Naira, but every year you watch your money lose value because of inflation. Story of my life. But now imagine saving in dollars and watching your money actually grow instead of shrinking. So today I'll show you the apps I've personally been using to make this happen. And I'm going in order of lowest returns to highest returns. So grab your phone and let's get in. Now the lowest on the list is Cowrywise. This app is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, stress-free way to grow their money. Cowrywise lets you invest in US dollar mutual funds, which is a smart way to diversify your savings and earn interest as the market grows. But here's the deal, there's no fixed annual returns with Cowrywise. This is because your returns depend on how well the fund performs. The app works great for beginners because you don't need to be an investment expert. Just deposit your money and let the professionals handle the rest. Cowrywise is also super transparent with a clean interface that shows you exactly how your money is performing. So if you're ready to ditch saving in Naira, Cowrywise is a solid first step. Next up is PiggyVest, one of Nigeria's most popular savings app, and for a good reason. PiggyVest allows you save in dollars and earn up to 7% annually. In dollars, oh, that's way better than any regular Naira savings account. Quote me anyway. To start saving in dollars, all you need to do is head to the Flex Dollar tab, tap on Buy Flex Dollar, and follow the prompts to get your account funded. For a more detailed guide, watch this video where I take you through the process step by step. Another cool feature PiggyVest has is that it lets you automate your savings. And you know I'm very big on automating. So if you struggle with discipline, like me when I'm around fried plantain, then this app saves you from yourself. Although this feature is not yet available for the dollar savings, I wish it was. Third on the list is Bamboo, and this app is a game changer. Bamboo doesn't just let you save in dollars, no, it also gives you access to global stocks. You can own shares of companies like Apple, Tesla, or even Netflix right from Nigeria. Back on topic, Bamboo offers an 8% annual returns for your dollar savings. That means you're earning more while keeping your money in a currency that actually holds value. If you've been dreaming of becoming an investor but the thought was too complicated, then through Bamboo's fixed income dollar denominated platform, you can save your idle funds without being exposed to the risks of investments. Bamboo makes it super easy. You can start with as little as $10. And I've also got tutorials to guide you through every step. Let's talk about RiseVest, an app designed for people who want to build serious weight in dollars over time. This app is solely for dollar-based investments and offers 10% annual returns on dollar savings, making it one of the best options for long-term goals. This app works by investing your money in high-yield opportunities like real estate, stocks, and fixed income. What I love about RiseVest is how simple it is to set goals. You can create a plan for something specific like paying for your master's degree, buying a house, or retiring early. And the app will guide you on how much to save and for how long. It's like having your personal financial advisor in your pocket, but way cheaper. And last but definitely not least, we've got the crypto exchanges for my crypto bros and crypto enthusiasts, specifically Bybit and KuCoin. These platforms let you save in USDT, a stable coin tied to the value of the dollar, and you earn up to 13% APR. That's right, 13%. Here's how it works. You simply deposit your USDT into their flexible savings plans and they pay you interest daily or even hourly in the case of Bybit. It's a great way to earn passive income while keeping your money in a currency that doesn't depreciate. Now I know crypto isn't for everyone, but if you're open to it, Bybit and KuCoin are legit ways to grow your dollar savings fast. And don't worry, there are videos on this channel to help guide beginners navigate through the world of crypto safely. So there you have it, 5 awesome apps to help you save in dollars and beat inflation like a pro. Whether you're into mutual funds, automated savings, global stocks, or crypto, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which app you'll be trying first. Or if you're already using one of these, share your experience. And hey, don't sleep on this. Every day you wait, inflation is eating away at your money. Start saving smarter today. Links to all these apps are in the description below, so check them out and start building your financial future. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's all grow our money together and beat inflation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.